No, I didn't see that one. Oh, DKS. I think I did, but I haven't taken a look at it. What was it about, a swing trade? Okay, let me take a look at your DKS thing. Is that the daily? It looks like it's finding some support in that flag, yeah. But, what can it do? It can go from maybe here, 144-ish, to another burst, the 65. Uh, so that gap there. Looks promising. That's about it. You know, it's promising, and that's about all it's got. So just watch the recession, though. You know, make sure, make sure, sure it's making money, and make sure it's going to work out. All right. Oh, so NYCB is starting to work. All right, good. So the bottom of that base was 825. It's now almost at 9. It hit 9. Confirmed inner pivot entry could have been at 861, but you certainly could have gone in on that base in the low 8s and be around 9 now, and that would be fine. Be exiting around there, keeping some for potential blast over 9. Okay, next up is TikTok. That's what it is. Yeah, we got 12 minutes there. Screw TikTok, people. All right, well, I can't get TikTok working right anyway. Okay, close this. Anybody out there is interested in the full resolution widescreen uh, live stream, you got to join our group. You got to click the link in the bio there, click the link in the profile, click the link in the description, and come join our group. That's where we live. That's where we are, and we have lots of trading channels and um, conversations about opportunities to take there. All right, let's take a look at the market. I don't remember having comms up. So on Friday, the market put in a doji top at the end of an extended run. Did not break out of a particular pivot and or grab liquidity that was up here. It did not really grab the liquidity that was up here. If it did, then it would definitely race down. Uh, so not sure what the game is now. Let's take a look at the intraday chart here. Yeah, even Yeah, so my guess is that we actually make our way up a little bit and go over Friday's highs and potentially take out this zone of liquidity to come back down. So today, so it'll be another. It could be a red day or a slash doji type of day, kind of in the same area, a little bit higher. It's going to edge out a little bit of a higher high, I think. Okay, and then the other way to look at it is that from here, it's much easier for it to make a 3-day swing high reversal pattern starting today. So it may never get all the way back up under that theory, and might not get over the open of Friday and the close of Thursday back at 3:0, almost 7 on the Qs, and may experience now a downturn for a couple of days. Both of those are, I mean, one I said it's going to go up and then down, and that the reason it's going up is to go down. And then the second thesis is it's just going to go down for the next few days. So both of those are not that long, are not that green, they're not that encouraging on the long side. And by the way, we have the Fed releasing what its rate hike decision will be on Wednesday towards 2 p.m., I believe. So until then, the market kind of moves slowly and cautiously on current known data because it does not want to get slammed by a train coming in the other direction on Wednesday when the rate hike information is released. So I don't know how helpful that is this morning, but we're in kind of a semi-uncertainty zone. We've got two prognoses, both of them sort of red, but the first one is that it might go up and then come down. Otherwise, we go down. But it's not green. So a green would be a huge surprise, and it could happen, but it's definitely at the lower spectrum of probability. All right. So hopefully that'll help you in your trading today. All right, let me refresh the screener here and see if anything else pops out. Invo, Zomedica, which has potential to move. Invo and Zomedica. Check out Zomedica down here. No, not enough volume by far. And Invo totally fading. Invo Biosciences. We'll keep it up, but it looks like it's not happening. So NYCB looking the best. All right, we've got about 5 minutes before they open now. I'm going to add TikTok to the live stream. Okay, we're live over on TikTok too. Made some change on Coin Friday. All right, good job, Gary. That's you've been TikToking. Yeah. Hello, Daniel. Good morning. All right, well, good morning, everybody. We've got just a couple minutes before they open. If anybody has anything they want to ask about or add, I'm here. Not doing the lava lamps today because I got the fire going. It's hot. It's hot. Put the lava lamps on. It gets too hot. Lava lamps are a winter activity. I need to get some digital lava lamps. All right, so NYCB pushing up. I've got some exit set on our wolf position, WULF, the red dog. So I've got some exits already set here. Basically, it's good. Just take your profits. You're good. Don't wait on that. In fact, let me put another one right there. 65 cents and another one at 64 cents. Right. Right. So I do have a bunch of laddered exits. Whoever asked that, but that's not necessarily how you have to play those. It's just a flip. You can take your profits and run. But I set mine up a little bit more because I do the live show. I don't want it to get away from me while I'm not looking. But you can take a good 25 to 50% / all out at any 5 to 15% gains. And then we just do it again. Do it again on something else another day. Unless, like I said in my post there, unless the stock is doing incredibly well and the chart looks like it could do well. So over on Wolf though, it doesn't. Take a look at it there. We got in that red dog like right down here. Pretty good entry. And now it's all the way up to like 65, but look, it maybe tops out at 68. That's it. We'd be lucky if in the same day it could get all the way to this top, 73. So that's it, 73 cents. That's it. That's all we can expect. If it catches on fire, zoom, great, we'll take it, but that's pretty rare. It's like a 1 in 100. Instead, take the little move off the bottom, boom, bam, exit, next trade. Yeah. Laddering's not necessarily for this. 8%, perfect. Anything between 5 and 15%, just exit. Just be very happy. That's the whole game of that one. All right, so back to looking at the Momos. Good morning. What about Pack W? Yeah, it's up. I do have Pack W up. But NYCB seems to have a better pattern going on. Yeah, Wolf has actually just printed 65 cents just before the open. And I think I just got a fill at 66 cents. I think that's what that was. Watching for a short on NVIDIA. Okay, yeah, I was going to pull that up somewhere here. I was trying to decide where. Probably INM. Yeah, it is a bit of a lame day in our group. And if you want to click the link in my bio and come join my group in the live stream, before we went on TikTok Live, we talked about the market and how it's kind of going to be a doji day, but it might be a little bit wide because the VIX is at 26. Excuse me. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what the market does. It may go up, grab some liquidity, and then move down. Or it may just go down. All right, we've got a couple of seconds before the open now. 45 seconds. Fed report on Wednesday. The market is going to be acting like now what was that? I don't have any. It's going to be acting like those fainting sheep for the next 2 days. They're just going to be sitting there all tense. Fainting zombie sheep. That's what we need. Really, almost anything. A couple $1,000s would be good. Send me a private message, join our group, come over to our group, send me a private message, and we'll talk. And I'll give you some ideas. Okay, here we go. Market opening. Finally, we get the bing. We got the bing. NYCB moving. That TikTok was sound not allowed to do something. Order was rejected or something. It was something else selling. Okay. Well, in any event, NYCB pegging 9. The market pulling back at the open. Let's see what that looks like on the daily. Yeah, it's going to be hard. I think we now go ahead and just drop most of the day. I think we go red. Heard a goat. Yeah. Fainting goats. That's what we have for the next 2 days on the market. Take a look at NVIDIA. Yeah, I mean, it's a very extended. It put in a island reversal top at an extended area, gap open. Of course, that's going to fade back, and then today that creates a 3-day swing reversal, putting in, and so that kicks off, probably a multi-day pullback. Okay, back to the Momos. This one, LYLT, starting to come up over inner pivot and over VWAP. It's looking very good. A lot of momentum going on from the open. 11.6 cents on the open, and now 15 almost cents. So it's almost up roughly 50% just on the open. Yeah, you have 10,000 you can use, but don't, okay? But email me or message me. Remind me that you're from TikTok. What's your name here? The Epic Army. Yeah, and I can give you some ideas of how to be safe. NVIDIA dropping like a ton of bricks, and maybe the market going with it. Let me take a look. Not so much, but NVIDIA is selling off after the big run. Wolf hit 65 cents and 65.22 cents. We're up about, 10, 11%, 12%. And a Lyle T still going. And remember, it was at almost 11.7 on the open, and now it's at 15 cents. So it's about 40% gains already just in 4 minutes. So that's a lot of movement. So Loyalty, Loyalty Ventures Inc., LYLT, something this morning. Yeah, NVIDIA, what did you get it at, Chris? 250, maybe you got it at 258. On you if you did. How are these bonds doing? Oh, the bonds are doing great now, unfortunately. It's unfortunate, but yeah, we're up. They're doing what they were supposed to do. We're earning a lot more than just interest on those puppies now. It's unfortunate, but that could have been it. We get some lucky chance at another over 4% rate, obviously I'll put in, but unless it's over 4%, it doesn't have that doubling power. I think, let me check if I'm still in Ford. Okay, I am, and I'm at like basically break even. But you got to remember, it's also paying the dividend, the yield. Loyalty, definitely just going like lightning. Loyalty, LYLT, is now at 16.8 cents. coming up from 11.7 open. Wow, hit 17 cents. There's definitely some momentum going on LYLT, LYLT. Seems to be a lot of trades transpiring as well. So it's not super thick, but it's pretty damn good. That's quite a move. Now it's about to hit 18 cents off of 11.7. That is, let's see if I can get a calculator up here. Calculator thingy. 0.1833. Goes up 57% in just 7 minutes. And still flying. 18.5 cents, 19 cents. LYLT. Definitely the momentum pick of the morning. 19.5 cents, 1962. Almost to 20 cents now. 19.95. Looks like it may be topping out at 20 cents. It might get over it. It's topping out. That's nearly 100% move in just a matter of however many minutes that was, 7 minutes.
Alert.
All right, pulling back to about 18 cents now on LYLT. So this pullback, once it settles in, could be an area for entry if you haven't gotten in for re-entry. Okay, I need to do about 7 more exits on Wolf. I'll do one right now. Okay, LYLT hitting 18.50 cents now. Kraft Heinz having a decent open. So that's value stocks. Growth stocks bled out at the open. SPY, S&P 500, which includes a lot of value stocks, impacted less so. And the Dow is doing fine. In fact, I think it's up. And the Dow is mostly inflationary stocks. So we're having like a little inflationary capitulation day. But, it's fainting goats for the next 2 days. Nobody wants to get positioned before the Fed. It's just not smart. Smart money's just not going to do that. There's going to be a lot of sidelining until Wednesday. And a lot of hedging and removing out of growth and risk assets and putting them into value, safety assets, moving into the Fed decision. Okay, LYLT still pulling back more. It's at 17.20. Invo starting to come up. Bit of a reclaim going on Invo Biosciences, prior supernova, INVO. Doesn't really have as much volume, but it has some. It's not thin. But the potential is it's at 77 cents right now, and you'd have to stop out around 65 cents. So that's about 10 cents of risk, but it could get over $1.10 today. So that's about 30 cents of minimum upside and 10 cents of downside. So it's a 3-to-1. Somebody's asking about low. And gosh, there's pretty much nothing going on over there. Although I did see a lot of construction going on when I was driving around Austin the other day. Driving through Texas, it does look like construction's picking up. That's just on my visual. We do need the statistics on that to be sure. But yeah, maybe there's some picking up in construction. Housing starts. Okay, we're still watching Lyle T. Yeah, Lowe's is dead inside here in Austin. You're in Austin too? All right. What part of Austin are you in? I'm in North Austin. Okay, Lyle T starting to tick up now. There we go. Lyle T, 18.5 cents. Is everyone's piling in? That was the entry for potential pullback entry right there. Oh, Leander, very cool. North. Oh, there's two of you. All right. Good. There goes 1971. Looks like it's going to try to pop the high there. Don't expect much. Make sure you get like 50%, 25 to 50% out near the prior high, because that's often a point of failure. But we're at 20 cents. Wells Branch. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Wells Branch. Like Wells Fargo Branch? Wells Branch. I'm not familiar with that area, Wells Branch, but I'm in the Round Rock area. Yeah, not too far. All right, 1970. We're about to break pre-market. We're about to break high of the day, rather, on LYLT, LYLT. This is the second run of it. Maybe it hits 24 cents. There it is. We hit 20 cents. We're over 20 now. 2050, 2070. Right, we're holding at 2070, 2075. Oh, Lewis Henna. All right, cool. That's where I bought my car. Not off Lewis Henna, but from Henna Chevrolet. But the same Lewis Henna that Henna. Near Pflugerville. What the fuck? We're all in Austin. All right. 2030. So struggling around 20. Not the greatest sign on loyalty. I would not have any loyalty to loyalty. Did I just say that? The dollar should pump the market. The dollar's moving, relative movement is a positive for the market right now. We're getting some support from the dollar. 21 cents now on Lyle T. Dayla is being pushed by Merrill. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that does not look good. Yeah, kind of don't want anything to do with that chart. My God. Although, we've been following Zayla. We've traded Zayla, for a momentum day trade for an hour. But that does not look like something you want to put your capital in for a while. All right, Lyle hitting 21.4 cents. Lyle T. Yeah, that's beyond knife catching. That's just uh what's the word? Not disingenuous, but just it's just like unethical way to use the markets. I mean, you're basically just vacuuming up people's money. You're not really treating shareholders like partners. 22 cents on Lyle T. We're now over 100% off the open, plus 100%. Lyle T. Nice little run there from a 18-cent reentry to 22 cents now. Alrighty, alrighty. Take a look at the market for a second. This is a 1-hour chart, and you can see this red 1-hour candle continuing to do the 3-day reversal confirmation. However, perhaps when it gets underneath London's lows, the overnight lows, it will move back up. And again, that just confirms that there could be just a doji day, just a nothing day, and continued waiting for Wednesday's Fed hike. See, here's the SP 500 with far less of a dramatic day. Growth, pulling back. Value, industrial growth, the SP 500, not as dramatic. And then industrials having a green day. Well, overall, it's all down. But today is just sort of a capitulation day, it looks like. And like I said, moving money around into safety. Into safety and value. Facilities, probably hospitals, healthcare, hikes. All right, Lyle pulling back to 22.3 cents after hitting 24.5 cents. Wow. Hopefully you guys are making some good money on that one. Let's see. 24.5. Calculator thingy. Okay. Yeah, 0.5 divided by 11.7, where it started from. 109% move off of the open on Lyle T. That's to say nothing of the move from Friday to pre-market, which was 7.8 cents on Friday to 16 cents, over 100% gains pre-market. So that set up the potential, right? And then right off the open, we're breaking in your pivots, starting at around 13 cents. Could have been an entry. Another entry could have been at 13 and a half cents roughly. And then it zoomed all the way up to 20 cents. Pulled back, could have got entry at around 18 cents ish. And then it hit 24 and a half cents. And now back again, topping out at 24 and a half cents. Yeah, Nvidia is acting the weakest, but I'd rather you be defensive. So yeah, that's sounds reasonable. No, loyalty will not hit 40 cents. This is probably near the end now. Oh, well, let me take a look at the daily chart before I say that. Oh, wow. Well, frankly, actually, anything can happen. Getting all the way to fill the gap could be on the table, but maybe not today, but over a swing trade. 45 cents is filling the gap. And that might happen. A couple of days. 25 cents to 45 cents. Might not be today, though. And it might come with a lot of pullback. But there it goes. All right. Loyalty hitting almost 25 cents. Now, there it is. 25 cents on loyalty. Almost hit 26 cents now. 26.50. Nice pop there. Daniel says, let's go, sketchy stock. Yeah, it's definitely sketchy. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Mint Mobile. I don't know anything about it. But if it has a chart, then, trade it. I got no info on Mint Mobile. Do you got a ticker? I don't have it. So we had 26.6 cents. Tesla had a sweet double bottom. Okay, let me take a look. All right. You're welcome. Oh, I see. What, intraday on like the 10-minute or something? Yeah, I think Tesla's got more to go down. Might go down to 147 on the 2-minute. Gotcha. Okay. Daniel didn't. He saw Ryan Reynolds is what's going on with Mint. He endorses the shit out of that one. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm remembering those commercials. Yeah. Yeah. You don't want to go for 83, 184 short on Tesla for 145 target. But very uncertain. I'm sure you could find better places to put your capital. That's not a very high probability trade. I just think that it's just going to struggle for a while, and that that's potentially in its future. All right, Lyle T coming up to almost 26 cents now after a little bit of struggle at almost 27 cents. Somebody says he doesn't just endorse it, he owns it. But then Daniel over here says, didn't he sell it? And I don't know what's going on. AMC. Yeah, we can take a look at that. Yeah, there goes NVIDIA dropping more. Hitting 250, 180. Let's see, AMC. AMC is at the lowest levels it's like ever been. $26. I mean, that kind of just speaks volumes right there. Not Great. Sounds like someone has a man crush on Ryan Reynolds. Plenty of people probably do. He's so cool. Daniel's like, who doesn't? Come on. He is selling Mint Mobile to T-Mobile. But what do you mean by that? He is. Does Ryan Reynolds own Mint Mobile? I don't think so. He's just a sponsor. That sounds it's crazy. Right. Okay, so the ticker is MITJF. MITJF. Okay, I can finally look at this thing. Let's take a look. And if he already sold it, then it's done. There it is. The Mint Corporation. Well, that's cool. If you were a shareholder at 7 cents, maybe now you're going to get, I don't know, a quadruple, 25 cents. Ryan has a 25% stake in it, says somebody, McHenry. I don't know why everyone's so interested in that. It's been sold. It's done. And somebody else says, no, he's a partner in Mint, and T-Mobile is buying it. Another person says he owns it. I mean, this is crazy. I'm like the last person on earth to know that Ryan Reynolds owns a bunch of Mint Mobile, or that there's anything going on Mint Mobile. But I did see those commercials. That's pretty funny. He's like, how much would 25% of the company be? Oh, that'll be just $400,000. All right, give me that. Give me the shares. All right, we're coming up on the top of the hour, and we are getting a little bit of support. Like I was mentioning, the dollar is a little bit strong. Relatively, and we are getting a little bit of support from that on the markets. And we have, don't forget, fainting goat situation going on. Your wife went to elementary school with Ryan Reynolds. That's crazy. Oakville, Ontario. That's pretty cool. My classmate during high school was why can't I? Now you threw me off. Ryan. God, why I can't think of it because my classmate from high school. Probably if I type it up, it's the number one. Come on. You have to spell it. Okay, there we go. My classmate in high school is Ryan Johnson, director of Star Wars and Knives Out and a couple of other movies. No, not Ryan Gosling. Thank you. Ryan Johnson. Yeah, that's pretty fucking cool. We have a lot of people in my classes. Also, Hurley from Lost. What's his name? Fuck. I used to play tennis with him in high school. We had tennis. And I can't remember these names right now. Hurley Lost. His name is they're giving me his portrayed by Jorge Garcia. Thank you. Yeah, my high school, San Clemente High School, Southern California. Was also a gold medalist Olympic swimmer. from there. We turn out a lot of fucking winners there in San Clemente High School. The drummer from Kiss, Peter Criss, his sister lived around the corner from you in Brooklyn. And now, how do you know that? He banged her sis. He banged the drummer's sister. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, that's why I love the beach. He's like, I talked to her. I talked to her. She had creepy eyes. No, just kidding. She had a long tongue. No, never mind. That's Gene Simmons. She wouldn't even talk to Peter. They were like estranged. That's lame. All right, you guys. That's it. Let me take a look at that Lyle T. Yeah, Lyle T's topped out. That's it on Lyle T. You're going to have to let it calm down. Take your capital off that. Get out of there. Bug out. All right. All right, everybody. And also, NYCB is starting to curve back up. Keep an eye on that. NYCB starting to curve back up. Yeah, it's going to be the next 2 days are going to be like this. But Wednesday afternoon, things will get interesting. And then Thursday and Friday are going to be very tradable. So cool. Well, we made it through what today will, the rough spots of today and figuring out where the opportunities are. All right, let's move back into the group and see if we can continue to track anything good. Okay, click the link in my bio, everybody out there on different live streams, the description, the profile, the link to come join our group. It's free. Come on in. All right, we'll see you soon. Well, I'm not going to make that prediction.